Welcome to the 8th video in Internet Marketing in an Hour a Day. And this video is about monetizing your site from day one. You may have heard other people say don't do that, wait for it to get indexed, blah, whatever excuse they use. And depending on what you want to do, yeah, maybe. But what I've found is that generally speaking, if you wait, that means it's left until tomorrow and it's always tomorrow. Far better in my mind to add in a few affiliate links and just do that. Very, very simple. And I tend to prefer text links. They're the ones you see in places like Wikipedia, well, anything you click in Google pretty much. They're just what people are used to clicking and they don't scream out advert, and in that respect they're a lot better than stuff that's just an advertising banner. Again, that's my personal viewpoint. You need to test it and work out what you feel comfortable with. But if you if you go to a website and there's banners flashing everywhere, you tend to think, not so sure. But if it's a little bit muted, Wikipedia's probably a little bit too muted, but it's still there, it's got pictures, it works. And just mix in a few affiliate links. Now, the other thing with affiliate links is they do what's known as rot over time. What that means is that the product might cease to exist, or it might change, or whatever. And again, personally, I don't like going in and changing every single post, so what I do is install a WordPress plugin. The one I use is WP Shorties. I'll include a link to that below this video, or below the main page. There's plenty of them around, that's just the one I use. I use it for a couple of reasons. One is that it works, which is always a good one. Second, it disguises the link. Typically it's your domain /go/ whatever shortcode you put in. It will give you a bit.ly or a Twitter style yucky thing that's just a mixture of characters and letters and numbers and things like that, and